Hi, this is Teresa Moss, and I just want to start off by saying welcome to the team. It is great to have you here. The goal of this video is to give you a few quick action steps, the ones that you should be taking first, because I know that there's a lot of things on your mind right now and you're not sure which order that you're supposed to be doing things. So hopefully this will clear things up for you and you'll have a direction to go in the next couple of weeks as you're getting started in your membership and in new business. Okay, so let's get going. The first most important thing that you're going to have for your business is a website. Okay, and there are a couple of different ways that we can go about doing that. I'm going to show you those different ways, but right now I want to show you what a personally branded website should look like, okay? Because you're going to have to get with our web designer and he's going to actually teach you how to build your own website. But what you want to have before you meet with him is an idea of what should be on your website, okay? And these are just landing page options. You're going to have to do a little research on what the follow-up page should look like, but I'll give you some ideas, how to find that too. This is an example of one of my landing pages, okay? And as you can see, it's just very plain, basic, nothing fancy. The colors are gray, red, and black. The headline is targeted specifically to Global Resorts Network. You don't have to target Global Resorts. I just chose to do that here on this site. But there's not too much on here. The most important elements that you really need to worry about are a headline, okay, a video, and an opt-in box. And on your video, just make sure that your background is clean, that you look clean, that your eyes are looking right at the camera, that you're smiling. You don't want to be too up close to the camera, but make sure you're not sitting back on the other side of the room in the dark either. I actually have a lamp on the table in front of me to brighten my face a little bit. So that's a tip for you when you're making your video. Have a lamp there so your face is illuminated and people can see you well. You want your message to be clear. It doesn't have to be long, just a couple of minutes explaining who you are, why it is that you're doing what you do, why you love what you do, and how you're going to help the person that you're addressing. Depending on what your headline is, okay, and what your keyword is, that's going to be your message on how you can help people, whether it's people searching for Global Resorts Network, or if it's people that are searching for work-at-home opportunities. Maybe it's work-at-home moms that are looking to earn some extra money, whatever population that you're going after, that's kind of who your video is going to be targeted to, all right? And I'll show you about your opt-in box a little bit later, but these are the main elements that you need to worry about. You don't have to get fancy. This is another example of a retail site that I did a while back, and it's, again, basic. It's black. We have the video. We have a couple of headlines here. I just happen to like the green and the black combination, and it popped for me, so that's what I did. I have my opt-in box. I'm going to share a little tip with you that I did wrong on this one, okay? This opt-in box should be up here on the side. You want your video, my video should be a little higher up, okay? And your opt-in box should be over here. Your video and your opt-in should be what they call above the fold. So that means that people don't have to scroll down to find what you need them to do, because you would be amazed at how many people actually don't scroll down the page at all. And you only have a couple of seconds to capture their attention. So you want it clear. You're going to say it in your video what you want them to do, and you're also going to tell them in a headline and a little instruction how to opt in. But just keep it basic, keep it clean and simple. This is Debbie Turner's opt-in page, okay? She's got a little bit longer of a page, but she has a story and she has a great headline. It's a very intriguing headline and it grabs people's attention. I mean, who doesn't want to learn how she was $110,000 in credit card debt and finally cracked the code and started making multiple $1,000 commissions? Well, of course, people are going to want to know that, so they probably will scroll down and watch her video. And then, of course, in her video, she offers a free Get Started Rookie Mistakes report and a 7-part video series. So that's another key element to getting people to opt into your box. Offer them something, whether it's an ebook or a video report. Those are things we can work on down the line, but get your brain thinking about what kind of free gift you'd like to offer your opt-ins, okay? But again, it's a very simple page, black, red, and white. And then she's got yellow on the box, so it pops out. Here's an example of another teammate. His name is Will Schwartz. And I'll tell you why I like this page, and it's because the background color is blue. And it's actually statistically proven that people who see a blue background will trust you more. It's soothing, it's calming, and it statistically converts better than other colors. But what he also does here is he has his video and his opt-in box pretty much right above the fold. You do have to scroll a little bit, and also he has a direct call to action highlighted right here. Fill out the form below. And I'm sure in his video he tells people to fill out the form below. Now he has a lot more on his capture page. He kind of has a, one-page information station here, which is awesome because he's got the opt-in up at the top. You can do it that way. But if you're just getting started, you don't have to overwhelm yourself, okay? Just the basics are enough. Now, if this is something that interests you, maybe these are tips and things that you want to put on your second page, you can take this information and use it. But what I don't want you to do is copy it, okay? You don't want to plagiarize someone else's website because Google will penalize you and that other person if they find websites that are copied like that. So if you see information you like here or something you want to use, by all means, take it and twist it around and make it your own. You can use these ideas for your own. That's what we're here for. We all learn from each other, but just don't copy, word for word, paragraph for paragraph, someone else's page, okay? So that's what he has on his page. There's a lot more information here, and he's got a couple of opt-in boxes. But again, don't stress yourself. You just need the video, the headline, and the opt-in. And here's one more quick example. This is Molly Dahlbeck. I just happen to really like this page because she's got pretty colors. It's very simple. Again, she has just a catching headline, a nice video, and see how her background is very clean and all the colors kind of go together. Her color of her background is the color of her wall. I mean, that's brilliant. There's not a whole lot of clashing going on here. And she has a nice colorful opt-in box. All right. Now, when you figure out what your video is going to be and what you want your headline to be, get those things kind of in order, all right, and think about what you want your capture page to be. What you're going to do is you're going to call Peter Ziente, all right, actually Peter Michael, I should say, goes by Peter Michael, and he'll help you design your website. He'll help you with the technical elements, I should say. This is a Blue Voda site. You have a background and you have the center box where you put all your text and your videos, things like that, and your opt-in box. And you can scroll down here, learn more about Peter or what it is that he does. That's bluevodabranding.com. You're going to get in touch with him and set an appointment for him to help you put those elements together for your capture page, and he'll show you how to link it to your second page, how you can have as many pages as you want. I have several different websites pointing to my original website. In fact, this website, traveltowealth.net, and this website, Global resortsluxurytravel.net are the same Blue Voda website. It's just an extension page, and I have my domain forwarded to it. So it's very easy to make different websites from one Blue Voda account, and he'll show you how to do that. Okay. Oops. Okay. We're over